Now for display. Display type. Screen size. Screen to body ratio. Display resolution. Display pixels density. Refresh rate. Display protection. Now for performance. Operating system. OS and security updates. Chipset. Processor. Graphic processing unit. Now for storage. RAM memory. Internal memory. Memory card slot. Now for camera. Back camera makes video recording. Selfie camera. Now for battery. Battery capacity. Fast charging. Wireless charging. Reverse wireless charging. Now for connectivity. Network. Fingerprint sensor. Bluetooth. USB port support. NFC. Now for design and build. Dust and water resistant. Stereo speakers. Headphone jack. Weight. Back protection. Price. Now for results. Thanks for watching this video.